Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change your payout schedule to monthly on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start getting paid monthly, but right now you're getting paid daily. How do you actually go ahead and change your payout schedule to monthly? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first hop into our eBay app. Then on the bottom right hand corner you want to click on selling. Then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says your total funds. So right now my total funds is $4.18. Click on that. And then from here, you want to click on Payout Schedule Daily. So click on Payout Schedule Daily. And then from here, you want to click out Payout Schedule. And then this is the really important step, guys. This is where you're going to change it to monthly. So change it to monthly and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your scheduled payout to monthly on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.